5 life-changing hacks you need to try right now. Hey everyone, are you ready to transform your life with just a few simple hacks? Whether you want to boost productivity, save money, or improve your health, these 5 life-changing tips will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Morning routine hacks to 10x your productivity. First up, let's talk about your morning routine. Start your day with the 5-second rule. Count down from 5 and get out of bed immediately. Next, hydrate with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism. Finally, use time blocking to plan your day in 30-minute chunks. This simple hack will skyrocket your productivity. Hack 2 to 5 AI tools to automate your life. Did you know AI can make your life easier? Try these 5 tools. ChatGPT for writing emails or brainstorming ideas. Canva for creating stunning designs in minutes. Pictory.io to turn blogs or scripts into videos effortlessly. Otter.ai to transcribe meetings and interviews in real time. Notion AI to organize your tasks, notes, and projects like a pro. Automate your tasks and save hours every week. Hack 3. Declutter your life for mental clarity. Feeling overwhelmed? Try the one-touch rule. Only touch an item once and decide what to do with it immediately. Or, take on the 30-day declutter challenge. Remove one item each day. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. Hack 4. Budget hacks to save $1,000 this month. Want to save big? Start by unsubscribing from unused subscriptions. Next, meal prep to avoid eating out. Finally, use cashback apps to earn money while you shop. These small changes can save you $1,000 or more this month. Hack 5. Quick health hacks for busy people. Even if you're busy, you can prioritize your health. Try 5-minute desk stretches to relieve tension, quick meditation to reduce stress, or healthy snack swaps like nuts instead of chips. Small changes lead to big results. And there you have it, 5 life-changing hacks to transform your mornings, automate your tasks, declutter your space, save money, and boost your health. Which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. See you in the next video.